What separates a boss from a true leader? The courage to transform, the commitment to grow, the decision to become who you're meant to be. You work harder than everyone else, but your team isn't inspired. Communication breaks down. Conflicts eat up your day. You're exhausted. You know there's a better way to lead, but no one ever taught you how. Here's the truth the most successful leaders know leadership isn't something you're born with, it's something you develop. And in just 4 days, you can learn what most leaders take years to figure out. Transform Your Leadership is a 4-day intensive workshop designed to unlock your full leadership potential. You'll master self leadership and discover your authentic style. Craft a vision that inspires action. Communicate with clarity and conviction. Transform conflicts into opportunities. Develop emotional intelligence that connects. Make decisions with confidence and build teams that achieve the impossible. You'll receive comprehensive DISC model personality assessment, unlimited networking opportunities, and an official leadership certificate, plus personalized assessments and your custom leadership plan. And we're drawing for amazing vacation packages daily. Join over 100 leaders who've already transformed. Seats are limited to ensure personal attention. They're filling fast. For just $500, you're investing in the most important leadership asset you have, yourself. October 6th through 9th, 2026, at the Hyatt Downtown in Rapid City, South Dakota. Don't let another day pass. Scan the code or visit petescoaching.com. Transform your leadership. Transform your life.